In SEO, long tail keywords are far more specific than the primary key phrase. For example, if your primary keyword is workout, a long tail keyword might be 30-minute workout or maybe how to work out with kettlebells. Because long tail keywords are more specific, the volume tends to be lower, which is a good thing. While it brings in less traffic for that keyword alone, the competition for that keyword is proportionately lighter too, which means you can target ad campaigns and marketing for a much lower cost than your primary keyword. In many cases, long tail keywords are designed to attract niche customers like 1970s comic books instead of just comic books. These sorts of searches may not be what your entire site is about, but because it's related to the overall subject matter, those niche users will most likely explore the rest of your site. Or the long tails may attract customers who know precisely what they want and are searching for the right place to click buy now, such as Elegant Themes Divi lifetime membership. If someone were to use that specific search phrase, the conversion is almost certain versus someone who simply searches Divi. Think about writing a post where you want to rank for the keyword WordPress hosting. The outline of the post may include an overview of the kinds of hosting available, a quick list of the top companies, and then a couple of in-depth looks at the main choices you want to highlight. That final bit would be where you look for long tail keywords. Another way to use long tail keywords in your content is to write in such a way that you answer someone's question with your content. More and more users are searching through a virtual assistant like Alexa. You can use long tail keywords in the forms of questions and answers throughout your content to optimize for these searches. And there you go. That's everything you need to know about long tail keywords. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.